All right, Chris from FFP, and we're down here at the debut for the film Who. So I've just bumped into Tana Kimon. How are you feeling?
I'm really good, it's nice. It's getting a bit cold, but it's nice.
How did you find the film?
It was funny. It was really good and it was interesting. I liked the fact that he was the main actor in his own film, so that was really good to see, and the storyline was really great. And I'm looking forward to part 2 because there's definitely going to be a part 2, that cliffhanger at the end.
That's it. Is there any part of the film that stood out to you? Any emotional scene?
I didn't like when the little girl got killed, and I was waiting for her to speak. I was waiting for the whole time for her to speak, and when it didn't happen and she died, that was a little bit sad. But that bit was emotional.
Okay, is it your first time watching one of his projects? Obviously, this is his first film, but have you seen him before when he used to do skits and stuff like that?
I googled him a little bit on YouTube before I got here, so I saw little stuff, but this was really interesting to see a more in-depth detail of his own production on such a big screen. So congratulations on that. That must be amazing to from coming from YouTube to stuff to get so branded out so huge in the industry now, and he's going to be on Disney, so that's going to be great.
100%. So after watching this, would you recommend it to other viewers?
Definitely. Everybody loves a gangster movie, a little gang violence, little drug action, little shooting. Exactly. And definitely when the lady in the restaurant comes out with the weapon, that was good. That was
little spoiler for you guys.
For sure.
Okay, and with that then, let's just talk about you now. So you mentioned you're an artist, yep? What kind of music do you make?
I do dancehall R&B in the UK. I'm a UK London artist. I go by the name of Tana Kimon, and I do dancehall R&B vibe.
Okay, before we wrap this up, could you just tell them, is there anything to look out from you coming this year or in the next few months?
Yes, there's going to be major work going on. We're going to be working more with more UK artists, and I would love to work with some French artists also. There you go, guys. So look out. There's going to be major work coming this year.
Okay, lovely meeting you. Thank you for your time as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.